Why simple system beat smart ideas? Smart ideas feel exciting, simple system feels boring. But simple systems are what actually work. In this video, I'll explain why simplicity beats intelligence, especially for beginners. Section number 1. The smart idea trap. Smart ideas feel powerful, that is, complex strategies, advanced funnels, clever hacks. But complexity requires experience. Beginners don't fail because they are not smart, rather, they fail because they are overwhelmed. Section number 2. Why systems win. A system answers the following questions: 1. What to do? 2. When to do it? And 3. Where to send people? Once that's clear, execution becomes very calm. Smart ideas excite, wise system compound. Section number 3. What a simple system looks like. A beginner system can be content, leading to free value, leading to follow up, and leading to one offer. Content to free value, to follow up, to free offer. And that is it. No tricks, no pressure, just repetition and improvement. If you feel overwhelmed, don't add ideas, rather reduce decisions. I share the simple structure I use below. Calm, beginner friendly, no rush.